This is a video covering file management at GRCC. File management is like having a filing cabinet with drawers. The computer is the entire cabinet, and each drive is like a drawer. Just like file cabinets, the drawers are named based on what is stored in them. Each drive can store files and folders. We won't look at every drive, but we can get a general idea of things. To begin, click on File Explorer. It is the icon at the bottom that looks like a yellow folder. It starts off with Home selected. Here we see recently opened files, and on the left the various drives where things can be stored. Click on this PC. The C drive is where your program files are stored. This is what makes the computer and programs run. The J drive, the one with the student's username, is a storage location that each student has access to from any computer on campus. It is the recommended place to store because the others save only to the current computer station. Also, the J drive can be accessed from off-campus with the Omnissa Horizon client. This is something covered in another video. I'm double-clicking on my J drive. Each folder should have a title and have similar items stored inside. For example, all of the papers for a single class. To create a folder, click on New in the upper left corner, then click on Folder. You can type in a title. I'll call mine Example. Then click the Enter key. Double-click on the new folder, and we can see that it is empty and ready to have things saved into it. There are some do's and don'ts for naming folders. Short and sweet is a good thing to keep in mind. Names can contain a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and spaces. Folder names should be descriptive but not long. You should be able to recognize the folder by its name. Do not include any special characters. Something to be aware of is you can create folders within folders. You don't want to get carried away with this, as you will then spend a lot of time trying to find the file or folder you are looking for. Once you have made a folder for your class, you can begin saving files there. You should be able to recognize the file by its name and know what it is by looking at it. I'm clicking on this PC and then double-clicking on the J drive again. This is an example of a J drive filing system with folders within folders that are accurately named. I'm double-clicking on CO152. Inside the CO152 folder, there are folders for each chapter. That covers file management at GRCC.